Damn, bro, I almost want to just like skip all of the vlogs I've got queued up and just go straight to this. Hello world, and welcome to another one. We're gonna call this one well, I guess this is like my first intro ever. You may recognize that's a new exhaust. I'm redoing things a little bit. For the most part, this is going to be a chronological video journal, I guess, of my riding experience. But basically, I'm not totally thrilled / I don't really care about the quality of the footage I got installing this exhaust. So we're gonna just throw a few of the random clips maybe of the install. I have not actually looked over all of the footage, but I'm gonna watch it back and whatever, and we'll share the first impression ride, some of it after doing it, and yeah, bingo bango bongo, here we go. Going through this real quick just because there are videos out there that are going to be more explanatory. This is more just my own process or my own experience dealing with it. First thing we're going to do is remove this little sucker. Already noticing differences from the video that I watched. Not really a big deal at all. This is still not finger loose. Oof. Okay, I see how that goes. The thing's freaking on there. We are removing him and him, but of course, I think this is the best angle to get this guy. And look how bad of an angle that is. So, holy heavy, bro. Wow, this shit is heavy. I guess I don't need that, all that. So, I've got, I don't know where I put the other one. I was really thrown for a second because this actually has like a protective layer over it or whatever. Obviously, like this tape stuff comes off. I was really confused at first as I was looking at this. And, I think I might take this off and kind of bend it a little bit more flush with the rest of the exhaust and everything before I tighten everything up. But the simpler, obviously there's none of this here because it's not as meaty as this old guy. This thing is heavy as hell, dude. Oh my god. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, I think I might angle it right and all that. Although it looks pretty good, I must say. Looks probably fine. I think I'm going to do the left side. Don't need this anymore, which I thought I was going to reuse that, but I guess not. Yeah, we'll do the left side and then we'll tighten everything up and see how it is. So, right side, I still think I didn't do that one yet. I didn't take that one off and kind of pinch it tight, but you can kind of see just how much better this left side looks. It's just a lot more flush, so I might actually, let me do that. And I still need to find the right sized Allen key to tighten this up. I mean, I have it, I just gotta fucking get it out of my bag. And then tighten everything up, like I keep saying. Looks good though. I wish I meant to take before and after photos, but I'm sure I'll be able to find maybe a photo of the bike with all the, or at least one side with the exhaust, and then I'll try and find or get a similar angle for it, and we'll see how that goes, see how that looks. It already just looks, it's so much neater, compact, and I like it. So this is all things that I no longer need. These are very heavy. Obviously, the other ones have weight. I didn't, I might weigh these because I'm not sure I want to, well, maybe it's in the manual or something like that. This one I took off because I didn't realize I didn't need to take out all of these bolts. Not really a big deal. Second one went quicker, still has the black thing attached to it. This now does not need that extra support. What's funny is I shaped the right one. Honestly, they could still both get a little bent. I don't know if I should do that or if it doesn't matter. It's like, if you really look at it, I suppose it's what do you call it? Sticking off a bit. But overall, it just looks they don't even stand out. That's what I want. They don't stand out as like this necessary thing or this obvious thing on the exhaust. So I haven't even started it up yet. I guess let's give it a whirl. All right, cold start now. I did one of these the other day, so let's go around on the other side. New exhaust came in today. It's right here. We have not opened it yet, but we are going to, just for the sake of it, do a little bit of a cold start comparison. See how it sounds. I have no idea how this microphone is going to be on this. This is just the media mod on the GoPro. Let's see what a little like 4K RPM is. Oh my goodness, that was 3. That's loud. It's kind of loud. All right, we're gonna throw this GoPro on the helmet, and sheesh, that's really loud. I don't know why I'm so nervous. It's seems loud as hell. I guess nothing really can go wrong, right? They're on there pretty good. Forgot to freaking snap on my helmet. There we go. Alrighty, let's give this little puppy a whirl here. I do kind of dig that. Even just moving it, walking it up to the front of my barn, it felt a heck of a lot lighter. Oh, I love it. I love it. Nothing like a nice false neutral on your little test ride.
Yeah, buddy. Couple pops now. Oh, dude. Problem is, I've never even done like ride-bys or anything like that. Even previously on the stock exhaust or silencers, I don't know if it's actually louder. It just sounds a lot more aggressive and punchy, which is what I wanted. I did not want louder, or maybe a little bit louder, but not significantly louder. Sorry, doggo. They're still there. Oh boy, do I dig that. Better in every single way. Smaller. So this is with the DNA air filter. Damn, bro, I almost want to just like skip all of the vlogs I've got queued up and just go straight to this. It feels surprisingly punchier too, which is interesting. OPS. Oops. Under 3,000 RPM, it doesn't really go too crazy, which is nice because you can be respectful. Yeah, it's cold as fuck too, so we're gonna just head back. So when I put the air filter on, I read that it'll add anywhere from like 2 to 4 horsepower, and I didn't expect it to feel that. I would say with the slight gain of that you probably get from throwing a better exhaust on and a DNA filter, I do notice a subtle difference now. Like I said originally, when I put the air filter on, I was like, I don't think I'm going to notice that. I'd say I notice slightly more torque, and it feels a little bit more powerful. It also could be the weight. There is a little bit of weight loss. Like I feel like I've got more get up and go. Tiny bit, smidgen. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk more about this in later videos and stuff like that, my overall thoughts on this and enjoyment with it. And very easy install. I'd say I was done in 30 minutes, and I'm an idiot, you know, so thanks. Bye.